Today we're having a look at the original Gazillion Premium Bubbles Monsoon. It comes also with some bubbles solution that we can add to the machine, but you're going to have a gazillion, billion, trillion bubbles coming out of this machine. It is the best bubble machine ever, indicated on the front. Before we open this up, let's have a look at the box itself. Bubbles on the side. Look how many bubbles that is. Oh, there's going to be bubbles everywhere. On the back, I am probably going to be as happy as these two children right here are looking at the vast amount of bubbles coming out from this machine. For best results, rinse toy with warm water after each use. Comes also with a bubble solution, so we don't have to worry about that just yet. This comes to us from the folks over at Funrise, funrise.com. Contents will include your Gazillion Monsoon Premium Bubbles machine. You also got yourself a Gazillion Bubbles solution, the bottom base, and an instruction guide. Take the bubble machine and flip it upside down. You're gonna probably have to get mom and dad to help you with this. You want to unscrew the battery plate, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 screws that will need to be unscrewed. The Monsoon will need 8 batteries, 8 AA batteries, and Spot has batteries, so I just have to put those in, put the plate back on, and we're ready to go. Once you got the batteries in, take the bottom tray, and there's a little notches on either side. Line the notches up, snap it into place, and then just turn it so that you're locking this bottom in, so it's not going to go anywhere. Just in case I don't get a chance to show you how the bubble machine will work, this will spin around, and each of the little blowing bubble wands will dip inside the solution and spin like this, and the bubbles will all come this way, not towards you, but they're all going to be coming up from the top of the machine. It's almost as if there's 8 little children in here, each with a little wand going, look at the bubbles. Next thing you want to do is unscrew this and be very careful that you don't spill it everywhere. This would be something that would probably be good to be doing outside. Of course, I'm not doing it outside, I'm doing it here, so I'm hoping I'm not going to get bubble stuff everywhere. It's going to happen. Just going to take the seal off here. When taking your solution and filling it, the first thing you want to do is make sure that these little areas here are filled. These areas here. That's where the bubbles are going to be blown from. So you want to take this and fill it in the top. Because Spot is not doing this outside, which is probably the best place where you want to do this, normally though you would take the supply cap, there's a little cap here, screw it on top like this, and then this you flip and it goes right up here. Right up here. But because I'm doing this indoors, I'm actually just going to use the bubble solution that I've already filled in those areas at the top, and we're going to go from there. But if you were outside and you want continuous bubbles, you would want to put this on, flip it upside down, and stick it right at the top there. So without further ado, let's make some bubbles. I'm going to press the button on the front here right now and watch how many bubbles we have coming out from the original Gazillion Monsoon Premium Bubble Machine. Here we go! Let's press the button! Woohoo! Look at all the bubbles! There they are. There's all the bubbles right there. There's a lot of them. Wow, did it ever give us, maybe not necessarily a gazillion, I don't know how many as a gazillion bubbles are, but it definitely gave us a lot of bubbles. This is certainly a fun thing, especially at summertime. Having this outside, lots of bubbles galore. This is instant fun. Today we were looking at the original Gazillion Monsoon Premium Bubble Machine. See you guys next time.